Big news! AI video just got a massive upgrade. Today we're launching Kling 3.0. Let me show you. And I'll show you how creators generate stunning AI videos step by step, right in your browser.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
Before we dive in, a little context. Higgsfield is one of the official platforms where you can run Kling 3.0 directly in your browser. That means no mobile apps needed, no downloads, just pure AI video creation. Kling 3.0 is the latest AI model for generating high-quality videos. In this demo, I will show you how to create a video from start to finish, including prompt creation, pasting into Kling, checking start and end frames, adjusting settings. Let's write a clear prompt for this demo I am using. A detailed prompt is key to get accurate AI-generated result. Now that we are done generating our prompt, it is time to go to the page and paste it. Our scene here, scene 1 is the portal, cinematic animated scene. We copy our prompt and we go to Higgsfield AI. We click on Kling 3.0. From there, we now paste our prompt. After pasting your prompt, you have to double check it. Check if everything is okay, if you copy the right thing, and so that it will bring out an accurate video, what you want. So right now, I'm going to show you how I created my start frame and end frame. First of all, I went to Nano Banana. Yes, I used Nano Banana in Higgsfield AI to create my start and end frame. My start frame is in the portal, a black woman, as you can see. And then my end frame is on, I think I'm landing on a roof. That will be where my scene will end. I know you must be wondering, how did she do it? We are only seeing the pictures, the frame, start frame and end frame. How did she create it? Actually, I came to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to create start frame and end frame for me for the video.
You'll find the direct Kling 3.0 link, the full user guide, and my special access link in the description and pinned comment. Make sure you check it out.
Upload a base image or select a generated image. This will serve as the visual foundation. I'm using a scenic cliff image for this demo. Check your start and end frame. Make sure the motion, framing and visuals match your vision. You can adjust the image, prompt or framing here before generating. And right here, this is our last frame that we input. You can see that white button there. If we touch it, it will turn to green. It means that you want to make multi-shot, which means you can create video step by step, like scene 1 that is up. Then when you create the next step, it will show scene 2, and the other step, it will show scene 3, and so on. If you input all those your prompt there, the video will generate step by step with the right picture without missing anything. Now we are about to check our resolution, and there are two there, 720p and 1080p. You choose the one that suits you best, the one you want for your video. And here we have different type of Kling 3.0, Kling 1 and others. You can choose from there to make sure your video is okay. But Kling 3.0 is the exclusive here. That's what we are using. Right now, we are checking the video durations. The video duration are up to 15 seconds. You choose the one you want. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 8, depending on what you want. Make videos in one click. 250 plus preset for camera control, framing, and high quality VFX, or use the general preset for manual control. You add your image, upload or generate an image to start your animation. You choose your preset, pick a present to control your image movement. Get video. Click generate to create your final animated video. At the end of everything, the next step to do is just to click generate and your video is done.
And that's a complete Kling 3.0 demo on Higgsfield. Try it yourself using the links in the description. Let's feel like, subscribe, and comment your video ideas.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.